Hello and welcome to my talk. My name is Mohammad Haris. I am a PhD student at Frankfurt University of Applied Sciences. Today I will present visual localization and mapping with hybrid SFA. This work is a collaboration between Honda Research Institute and Frankfurt University. I would like to start by defining slow feature analysis. It is an unsupervised learning algorithm for extracting slowly varying features from a quickly varying input signal. Our previous work uses complete image information and implements SFA-based localization on a real robot. Despite it achieves similar localization accuracy compared to the state-of-the-art methods, it does not scale to larger environments. In this work, we introduce a new approach called hybrid SFA that uses unique regions present in a scene for localization. The goal here is to achieve scalability to larger environments. This slide shows the complete mapping pipeline of our proposed approach. The system first learns to detect unique regions present in a scene by using the state-of-the-art YOLO object detector. Here we fine-tune the network with only a few hundred hand-labeled examples. The output of the first step is a custom region detector. The second step makes use of the learned image regions and extracts spatial representations relative to them. The procedure starts with detecting and extracting unique regions from the images and rescaling them to a fixed size. Afterwards, we process each region through a hierarchical SFA network. The smallest unit in the network is called a node, and each node applies SFA on an image patch to extract slow features. The output of the second step is the learned spatial representation relative to each unique region. This slide presents the localization pipeline. The left part shows the procedure to obtain a test image output in SFA space. The pipeline takes an extracted region from a test image and uses its associated trained SFA model to perform non-metric localization. Please note that localization in this space is sufficient to perform efficient 2D robot navigation as already shown in our previous works. The right-hand side shows the procedure to obtain a test image 2D metric coordinates. The purpose here is to quantify model performance in the metric space. We perform the experiments in two different outdoor environments of varying size and topology. During recordings, a lawnmower robot automatically traverses a fixed closed-loop trajectory as shown in the figure. It stores images and the associated odometry information. In this work, we focused on dynamic scene variations and lighting changes between the different recordings and recorded three different image sets from each environment. We use one dataset to learn these spatial representations and the other two datasets to test the method. This table presents mean localization performance with SFA on unique regions, their combination, and for holistic views. The proposed approach allows localization from a single detected region in a scene. However, their combination outperforms the established holistic SFA with respect to localization accuracy in both environments. However, the effects are more pronounced in the large-scale environment. A significant performance drop for individual regions is due to the scene variation between the train and test set images. In this work, we introduced a new approach that uses unique regions in a scene and learns spatial representations relative to them. The results show the scaling ability of the method in larger environments. In this work, we use pre-selected regions. However, if the scene contains enough pre-trained CNN objects, then this step is optional. Localization accuracy can be further increased by incorporating more regions. Depending upon the application scenario, our method can scale between low to modestly higher computational cost. Thank you for listening.